Greetings, PSL remote learners. Here's the assignment for Friday, November 20th. First thing you need to do is check your email. You should have a message in your STU account from me that outlines some of the steps you need to take today. Basically, it's going to tell you today we're working on the PSL annual fund. Very important fund for PSL. Each year it costs about $11,000 to run all the PSL programs like Power Packs and the Giving Garden and other service initiatives. Today you're going to be reaching out to alumni from Perry High School as well as a few family members and asking them to consider supporting our causes. What's in it for you? A couple of things. First off, this counts as an exam grade. Your ability to send 10 emails before the end of the block today is going to be worth exam grades for 2 PSL objectives, specifically objective number 7, which asks you to demonstrate command of the English language, as well as objective number 15, which asks you to contribute to the common good through various channels. Certainly you'll be doing that today. In addition to a test grade, today's assignment is also going to result in PSL scholarships for the class of 2021. At a minimum, we're going to donate 1 out of every $4 that you guys generate today to the PSL Scholarship Fund. Last year, that enabled us to give away 2 $1,000 scholarships to PSL students. Hopefully, we can do at least that, if not more, this year. In addition to that, there's also going to be prizes. If you're one of the top 5 students whose emails generated the most income, you're going to receive a $20 gift card to the establishment of your choice. So hopefully, if the test wasn't enough incentive, maybe the gift card and the scholarships will be. All right, here's what you need to do. You're going to be sending 10 emails. 8 of them are going to alumni from Perry High School, and we will provide you with a list of 8 alumni, people who've graduated from Perry High School that you can contact. We're also going to ask that you send 2 emails to family members. This can be parents, it can be uncles, it can be aunts, it can be grandparents, people who you think might consider giving to the PSL campaign. After you do that, or while you're doing that, a few things to consider. We do not want you to send one group message to everybody. Reason being, if it's a group message, it's more likely to get caught by spam filter and it won't actually get to the people we're trying to reach. So we want you to send 10 individual emails to 10 different people. In the subject line, we would like you to put the following: Perry High School dash make a gift period make a difference period. So every single subject that you send should read like that. We also want you to CC or carbon copy me as well as Mrs. Trentinelli on every email. That's how we're going to assess you for this exam grade, making sure that you followed the standards of good English language, no mechanical errors, no punctuation errors, no spelling errors, etc. So don't forget to copy us, otherwise we can't give you credit for the assignment. We also want you to personalize every salutation. So you're going to have the last name of every individual that you're going to be contacting. If you'd go ahead and say, "Dear Mr. Smith, comma," or "Dear Mrs. Smith, comma." Don't forget the comma at the end. It's really important. People notice if it's missing, especially your teachers. The other thing that we're going to ask you to do is to sign your message on the bottom. So simply under the word "sincerely," comma, on the next line, if you would put your first and last name followed by a comma and then say PSL class of 2021. Do that on every single email that you send. Again, this was tremendously successful last year. We were able to raise upwards of $5,000 through this campaign. We're hoping that with your help, this year's campaign will be just as successful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or to Trent via email or via text message, and we really appreciate the work that you're doing for us today. We'll let you know the results.